Welcome to qnawire.
Part A of the given problem. From principle of momentum conservation, we can write m1 v1 plus m2 v2 is equal to m1 plus m2 into capital V vector. Then we can find a capital V is simply substituting values 2 times of 4i minus 5j plus 4 times of 6i minus 2j divided by 2 plus 4, and this gives us part A in a vector notation v to be 2 plus 6 7 meter per second in I direction plus minus 3 meter per second in J direction. Part B, the magnitude of a v vector v will be 4.01 meter per second. Part C, the direction of a v vector will be 48.4 degrees measured in a clockwise direction from a positive x-axis.